Guys, this is our choreography. After you learn all these little pieces of techniques, we're gonna put it all together. Okay, here we go. First one we have 1 and 2. There's arms and legs together. So we will break it down. The legs, we've done this before. We did it in our routine, right? Or in our warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all it is. We've done it. 6, 7, just legs. 1, 2, right there. That's it. We're not even going 3, 4. It's 1, 2. Arms going here. 1 and 2. See how my elbows doesn't even move. I go 1 and 2. 5, 6, just the arms. 1 and 2. Now put it together with the legs. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Right? 1 and 2. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Then you can go and 3 and 4. The key now is make sure your balance is good. Okay? Together, up to 4, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, this is where we go into our little kickball change. Okay? This kickball change is a little bit different. We're not actually kicking, it's more of a knee ball change. You're going to knee right there. So 3 and 4, you're going to go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So let's go together all the way from the top. And actually, I did it correctly. So we went 5 and 6, 7 on the and 8. We're going to go flat, square, facing the front. From the top, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good? Here's the key on the 8. Instead of staying straight up on the 8, I'm going 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Because I want to go and 1. Because I'm here on 8, then I'm going to go and 1. That doesn't look good. Here's 8, then I got and 1 and 2. Okay? So the key is land on the 8 with your knees bent. And then we have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you don't remember that, rewind it back. You can see the drill when we did with the pivot. Okay? So let's go all the way to 4. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After the 4, you're going to go and 5. That's our transition to our little glide, okay? So we have 4. Immediately, I'm going to turn to my left. And 5, this is our 5. Make sure the 5 on moving forward. 5, glide back on, pull back on 6, step, 7, and pull on 8, okay? Let's go all the way from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, from 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 2 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.